The Amazon rainforest is known to be the lung of the world, and because of this, what happens to the Amazon affects the rest of the planet. Factors like deforestation, pollution, and global warming are threatening the Amazon, therefore we have to take care of it. Deforestation is when humans cut down massive amounts of trees, causing a lot of damage in the forest. There are some people that cut down trees illegally for a commercial purpose, doing even more damage to the forest by leaving spaces in the Amazon without any life. Also, other people use these spaces for planting palm trees that provide biofuel for human benefit. On the other hand, there are people that deforest with a good purpose. For example, in San Martin, people cut down trees for the benefit of the community and not for economical purposes. They use this wood to construct their homes and necessary things for life. In the space that is left, San Martin people plant crops and plants that are not only for alimentary but also for medical purposes.
Como afecta el suelo en la selva amazónica es muy vulnerable, tiene apenas 20 centímetros de capa vegetal, el resto es arena. Entonces, al tú talar, el agua entra más fuerte, entra directamente, causando erosión, y cuando ya la arena es muy difícil que se recupere ese suelo, porque tiene pocos nutrientes. Entonces, tenaz cuando talan mucho y no se recupera la selva o no se siembra, no se reforesta. Las especies endémicas de ese árbol. Pueden haber árboles que hacen simbiosis, tienen bromelias, tienen orquídeas. Hay abejas que van a polinizar esas orquídeas. Y si lo cortas, no hay esa orquídea, no hay que polinizarla, se puede perder una especie. Se perdieron muchas especies de ranas. Vivían solo en esos árboles, solo en esas bromelias y en la tala.
Global warming is the increase of temperature in the atmosphere. It is caused initially by humans, but also by power plants, methane emission from animals, deforestation, and greenhouse gases. Also, this affects nature, living things, and creates natural disasters. Scientists estimate that about 400 million tons of carbon are absorbed by the Amazon every year. This affects the plants because they absorb the contamination when they are in the process of photosynthesis. Also, the forest is estimated to contain 100 billion tons of carbon, which means 10 years of global CO2 emission. Finally, Ken Gurney, an atmospheric scientist, says that if the air gets warmer, places like the Amazon will lose carbon. This is important because carbon creates CO2, which is necessary for respiration.
El calentamiento global es toda una cadena de sucesos que ha sentido desde los Andes, desde el hielo. Cada vez hay menos hielo, hay menos agua que baja en las temporadas de abril, el río está perdiendo velocidad y a causa de eso está dejando muchas islas por el sedimento. Saben que el río Amazonas trae muchos sedimentos de los Andes. Se sienten los árboles, cada verano se extiende más, esta selva no aguanta un verano de 6 meses, de 5 meses, el río Amazonas en verano baja mucho su nivel, entonces no permite la navegación, el ciclo de los peces afecta, entonces los desove ya no están siendo tan largos como antes y no tienen tanto tiempo para reproducirse, entonces nos afecta, se siente.
Pollution can be defined as the contamination of air, water, and soil caused by harmful substances and unnatural materials. This great problem is affecting life in Earth. Even though in the Amazon there is not many urban places, there is still an amount of pollution created by boats, motorcycles, cars, and some industries. Some pollutants, such as the textile industries, affect vegetation in the forest. Also, animals are greatly affected because their food is getting polluted and therefore they start to die and get extinct. Pollution has increased a lot since the population grew, and therefore industries grew too. Finally, pollution is not only affecting the Amazon but the whole world, because the Amazon is considered the lung of the world.
No hay tantos carros, no hay tantas fábricas, pero eso es un reloj, una bomba de tiempo, no demora en comenzar.
Bueno, listo, muchas gracias.
In this moment, we are working on our artifact, which is a 3D model of the Amazon rainforest.